Welcome to the MBA preterm accounting tutorial. I'm Henry Lorian. You know, every year companies produce financial statements. Here's an example on the screen of an annual report produced by Rivian Automotive, an electric car company. Now, the accountants at Rivian that produce these financial statements, they don't do it just for themselves to look at the financial statements. They don't do it so they can go home and show it to their parents so their parents are proud of them. They do it so MBAs like you can use the financial statements to make good decisions. Whether you're deciding whether to invest in a company, lend a company money, you're trying to get a job with a company and you want to learn more about the company itself or the industry, or you're part of the company, Rivian, and you want to make good business decisions, it's crucial to be able to read and understand what you're seeing when you're looking at financial statements. And that's the purpose of this preterm accounting tutorial and your financial accounting course as a part of the MBA program. In this preterm accounting tutorial, I am preparing you for your MBA financial accounting course. In the tutorial, I will go over the purpose of financial accounting, and we'll talk about two of the main financial statements, the balance sheet and the income statement, get a good understanding of what is contained within them. Then we'll learn about the accounting process. We'll do transaction analysis, and we'll go through the accounting process from beginning to end. This preterm tutorial will set you up to be successful in your MBA financial accounting course. By the end of that course, you'll be able to read, understand, and make good decisions based on companies' financial statements. But in order to get you there, we need to start now with this preterm tutorial. So join me in this video series, which contains 12 videos. The first 3 videos are just an introduction to financial accounting and an introduction to the two main financial statements, the balance sheet and the income statement. Then we'll dive into the accounting crash course. I'll introduce you to the accounting process and we'll go through the accounting process, both looking at the basics and doing an exercise so you can see it in action. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a basic understanding of how accounting is performed at companies across the country and across the world. In our next video is the first video in the series. It's the Introduction to Financial Accounting.